This is the video for Unit 7, Day 7, and today we're going to be dividing fractions by fractions that have common denominators. And today's video is dedicated to Alfredo Campos in 6B. Hey Alfredo Campos. Alright, let's get started by reading our situation. Atsiri is making scarves out of a piece of fabric that is 7/9 meters long. Each scarf requires 3/9 meters of fabric. How many scarves can she make? So I know I'm starting with a whole piece and dividing it into sections and trying to figure out how many of those sections I can make. And it might be really helpful for me to draw a diagram so I can visualize what's happening. So let's start drawing our diagram here. Our whole piece is 7/9 meters. So let's draw that out. We're going to draw out our fabric, which I'm going to do a big rectangle like that. And we want 7/9. So I'm going to divide this piece of fabric into ninths. So split this into 9 even sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's kind of close to 9 even sections. All right, so all of this is 9/9. And the piece of fabric is 7/9. So we'll start shading this in. 1, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9. So all of this right here is, I'll label it up top, 7/9. So that's how much fabric she has, 7/9 of a meter. And then I want to figure out how many scarves she can make, and I look back at the question and to see how much each scarf is. Each scarf is 3/9 meters long. So I can start to make sections, each that are 3/9 of a meter long, to figure out how many scarves we can make. So 1/9, 2/9, 3/9. That's one section. So I can say that's 3/9 right there. Then I can keep going. 1, 2, 3. Another 3/9. So I know I can at least make one scarf here, 2 scarves here, and then I have a little bit of fabric left over, which is this amount right here. Now to figure out what fraction this represents is, you see how for each scarf it's 1, 2, 3 sections of ninths, and right now I only have one section, but I need a total of 1, 2, 3. So this right here represents 1/3 of a scarf. Right, so this is my first scarf, this is my second scarf, and this last part here is 1/3 of a scarf. So all together, I have 1, 2, and 1/3. I can make 2 and 1/3 scarves from this piece of fabric. What this looks like with numbers and symbols in a division statement is, I started with 7/9. We divided this 7/9 into sections that were each 3/9 of a meter long. So right, that's the length of each scarf. And in the end, we got 2 and 1/3 scarves. Now to put my final answer in words, what that can look like is 7/9 divided into sections that are 3/9 of a meter makes how many sections? 2 1/3 sections. So 7/9 divided into sections that are each 3/9 of a meter makes 2 1/3 sections. Okay, so once you get these notes down, what I want you to do is hear your directions. First, you're going to close your computer and then keep it at your desk. Close your computer and then keep it at your desk. You'll put your computer away a little bit later. Because first, what you're going to do is working with your partner, you're going to finish pages 4 and 5, so the rest of this page and then the next page, and you can do that with your desk partner at a level 2 voice. You may begin to do that now. Good luck.